Hi everyone, I'm Steph Allchurch, Product Development Manager for Old Technic, and I'm just here to do a short video on our 262 and 263 solar thermostatic connection kits. With the launch of the Green Homes Grant, I thought it was important to remind you that we have a whole range of renewable products which can help with these type of domestic systems. So the 262 and 263 kits are very similar. The 262 is designed to work on stored water systems, and the 263, which I have in my hand here, is to work with instantaneous boilers. Just take off the installation shelf so you can get a better look at the actual controls we have. So with both the 262 and the 263 valve, we have a solar diverting valve. We then have a solar thermostatic mixing valve. The difference with the 263 that I have here is that we have one additional valve, which is a thermostatic control device. So if we think about solar temperatures in the summer, these can reach up to or exceed 100 degrees. Clearly, this is not a safe temperature and could not only be a safety risk to the user, but may also have an adverse effect on the system and other components. Therefore, these kits help to maintain a stable temperature to the user and get the most out of the renewable source. So the water supply firstly passes through the solar diverter valve, which is preset to 45 degrees. If the temperature exceeds this, then it will pass straight to the thermostatic mixing valve. If, however, the temperature is below the set point of 45 degrees, then it will divert to the alternative heat source. So on the 262, it will go straight to the alternative heat source, which would be a stored water. However, with the 263 that you have here, it would actually go via the thermostatic control device. This limits the boiler inlet temperature to prevent it from being switched on and off too often, which can obviously lead to hunting and can be detrimental to the boiler. Finally, the thermostatic mixing valve blends the hot water from the solar feed with cold water to ensure a safe, controlled outlet temperature for the domestic hot water. It also has a fail-safe function where if for any reason the cold water supply should fail or be blocked, then the valve will close off, protecting the user from dangerous hot water temperatures. In addition to this, if we think about high temperature hot water blending with cold, we're also going to get more usable water from our system. Both kits are compact. Both the 262 and the 263 are compact in their design and joined together without the need for additional pipework or fittings. They come complete with an insulation shell that you see here in front of me, and it helps to conceal and insulate the valves. All the components and materials which have been used within this connection kit are suitable for high temperature hot water and have been selected due to their anti-scale resilience to eliminate limescale buildup, which can be dominant within solar systems. If you would like any further information on these kits or any of our other products within our renewables range, then please don't hesitate to visit the website or one of our social media platforms. Thanks for listening and hope to see you again soon.